こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Japanese smashed cucumber salad. This quick and easy cucumber salad is a refreshing treat. Crispy cucumbers infused with a delicious sesame-garlic soy sauce dressing. It's great as a side dish or an appetizer. The smashing technique makes the cucumber skin crack and creates an uneven, rough surface that allows the dressing to absorb better. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress. Okay, let's get started. Wash and pat dry one large cucumber and place on a chopping board or clean work surface. Trim off the ends. Break the cucumber by hitting it with a rolling pin or back of a knife or whatever you have that's good for smashing. Roll and hit the cucumber to crack all the sides, but be careful not to hit too hard or the pieces may fly everywhere and nothing left to eat. And then tear the cucumber by hand into bite-sized pieces. And place them in a bowl. Finely chop half a spring onion. In the bowl of the cucumbers, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 pinches of salt, 1 clove of grated garlic, the chopped spring onions, half a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, and a pinch of chilli flakes if you want. Mix everything to coat the cucumbers. You can serve it immediately or keep it in the fridge for a couple of hours to chill before serving. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. The crunchy cucumbers are soaked up the delightful dressing, bursting with flavor in every bite. It's a light, vibrant and addictive side dish that's not only delicious, but also fun to make. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね